Okay, so what I'm going to do is now stitch both sides of this bottom together. Just use a whip stitch. Okay, I have now whip stitched clear across the bottom of the bag, and I'm going to just tug a little bit on this thread to make sure that it's snug. Then, if you want to, you can go back the other direction to make it exceptionally strong. And then weave in the end by going up some of the stitches from on the edge of the bag. And to make it extra secure, you can go back down the other direction. Snip off the yarn, and there you have the bottom of the bag sewn together. The size of this bag is just about long enough for a person's fingers to go down in there and grab something that might be stuck at the bottom. Next, I will show you how to make the drawstrings, and I'm going to weave in this end too, but you don't have to watch me do that. Okay, I have woven in the end at the top, and I've woven in the end at the bottom, and the bag is finished. We just need now to make the drawstrings. And you can use the same color or you can use contrasting color. I think in this case I'm going to use the contrasting color. Just one moment. Okay, I'm going to use white for my drawstrings. And for this, I don't need to leave a very long tail at all. So I just start with a slip knot and start chaining. And I will make a chain of 60. Okay, I created a drawstring with white yarn and another one with orange yarn so that you can see clearly what I'm doing. After the 60th stitch, just pull out, well, clip the yarn and then pull it out. Then snugly pull on that to make that last chain into a nice knot. Alright, so what I'm going to do now is thread the end of this drawstring into a yarn needle. Not the chain itself, just the thread, the yarn. Okay, now we've finished this pouch, this little bag, and we're going to weave the drawstring in and out of these double crochet stitches. So I start here weaving in and out, and I'm being careful not to separate any strands. And continue on around. In and out, one stitch at a time. And there you go. So I remove the needle, get these evened up, and then put my fingers in and pull so that the drawstring goes in and out of the stitches and the two knots are in the same place. Now I'm going to tie this in a knot, just an overhand knot, and I want to make sure that when I tighten this, the chains are included, not just these single strands down here, but the entire chain is included in this big knot. And I pull it very snugly. And then take the scissors and I snip the ends of these yarns about like that. Okay, so now we have the first drawstring inserted. Then I'm going to flip this little bag over and work on the other drawstring. So you can see what I'm doing. I've made it in a contrasting color. Okay, now I need to make sure that I'm going in and out over the same posts in the same manner that I did before with the previous drawstring. Okay. Get these two knots together and then put my fingers in the bag and pull these until they're even. Do the same thing here. Make a knot. Making sure the chain is included in this big knot. Pull it nice and tight. Snip the ends of the yarn about like that. And now my bag is finished. You could just have one drawstring if you'd like, but I like having two. It seems more balanced. And as we did with this one, you can have the drawstring the same color as the rest of the pouch. And there you have it. Little treasure pouches. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe and click the bell to be notified of my other new videos whenever I upload one. Thank you so much. Make a comment below too. Let me know what you think of these little pouches.